how are you doing? Summer's over, winter's over actually. So today I'm going to take my winter tyre off. I'll replace it with our new, I've gone for a Minion down here front, 29 2.5 WT, 3C Tyre Max, but I've gone for the Evo Plus sidewalling. So let's see how easy this is to get on and off my bike. I'm going to do it live, well, I'm just going to run it. I've got my little helper in a wave, toe bin. Let's see how we go on. I've got a few tools that I'm going to need, I reckon. Pump it up, tyre lever, and something to get the core out of the wheel. Let's go. Right, you ready? So I've been running a shorty for the winter, pretty cool. Great sidewall, gets rid of mud pretty quick. And I've got a CushCore inside, so let's see how easy it's to get off, on and off. Oh, that's really right. Boom, tyre lever well handy. The crack bub is a beast. It's nice. The trick now is get the tyre off that rim and get, like Joe said before, get it into the centre of the tyre. It sits in there. That's where we want it. Nice. Half the job done. Chain. So now I'm just going to run through the same process of taking the tyre off. Push it into the canal, bring it round, pop it off.
Does it cut your chain?
Yes, it actually does, yeah.
It's got chain. I don't want to cut my chain.
No.
Does it cut anyone's chain? Can I cut your chain? You gotta be right.
It's a bit messy, we can wash it out. So you're going to wash that?
How?
Just use the washer. Cool. Do you want to? Cool. So CushCore's out.
That's all washed?
It's all washed.
Oh, no, the inside.
That's fine, I think.
Inside.
Yeah, if you want, yep. It's good at this time of year just to check the rim. That's all looking, riding a carbon Synthesis 29er. Crank Brothers, should I say, Synthesis. Beast of a rim. Love it. CushCore valve. Holes on top, let the air out, and also in the middle. Cool. So it looks like great amount of CushCore, because it comes out, it comes out slightly from the thing, so you get sidewall protection. So you put the bike on its edge, you get this protecting the side of the tyre. Amazing bit of kit. And also the foam doesn't perish over time, it kind of stays where it is. So stability within the tyre is key for these. Love them. Amazing bit of kit. Right, next bit. So trick is, a new tyre, make sure it's going to go on the right way. So I ride my brake there. Direction of travel arrow, rotation that way is to give it a bit of a spray so it goes on easier. So you're allowed to spray this, mate. Hang on, okay, yeah. So definite trick, get the inside of the tyre a bit wet. Helps for sure.
That's a amazing job.
Right, stage one. Let's get the tyre over the top with the CushCore sat in the middle. Now the trick of the trade is to get the tyre to go under the CushCore, to sit in the canal of the rim. That's the trick. There we go on. The CushCore uses a system where you go push and tuck. So I'm going to push and tuck. Push.
Daddy.
Side one on. It's a struggle, for sure. But
Daddy.
it is what it is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpull this side off out.
Daddy.
Because it gets tight, this is where you need to go back to the start and push it into the gully to give you more tyre up top. A lot of time. Find myself lifting the tyre and pushing in. Oi! Toes! Boom!
Daddy. Daddy. Look. Daddy.
Yeah,
Look.
nice.
Look.
Cool, that's tyre fitted. Add some sealant now.
Number one.
Until back off, amazing stuff again. Good shake. Keep it topped up. See loads of people on our guided rides who end up with a tubeless issue and they've actually got no sealant in the tyre. So keep it topped up. Depends how much you ride, depends how hot it is. So maybe, I don't know, every 2 or 3 months, give it a bit. This stuff's amazing though. It'll wash off our lawn. Yeah. It's got a nice little gauge on the side, how much is going to be in there. Good stuff. Right, I'm sweating from that, you know. Oh. Right, you go that way, just so I can get the next job done. Where's that other tool you moved? Oh, there we go. Change the tyre on a CushCore. I pretty much only use trail tools, not on the phone. I pretty much only use trail tools. So a lot of us have discussed, could this be done out in the wilds? I think you probably can. I think you need to practice it like all skills. And you need to know the tools that you're using are super useful and they're going to work. So absolutely a bomber tyre lever, Craig Brothers. We've got our hand pump. There's both straight and press it, don't spray it on the thing, please. And then we've got one of our Wolf Tool chain splitters, again, in the backpack, works like an absolute dream. So there we go, CushCore changed. I don't know how long that's taken me. I should have timed it, but thank you very much. Check out all our stuff, one of our how-to videos. Toby's going to say thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.